Welcome to another episode of the Wild Scandinavian Cooking. This time we are in California, right now at Venice Beach, and it's gonna be all about good food, and especially what you can eat around here is tacos, and we love tacos. Every time we cook outdoor, we use tacos. So let's get into the action. We are on a taco mission this time. We got invited from some of my friends here from Los Angeles. They're Mexicans and they love tacos. Douglas, Marc and Lian invited us to come over to California to get some inspiration because we want to get into the tacos. So we got our car and we are ready. We're set going south. Driving down to Douglas, one of my friends. He invited us to come to his house. He lives in Carlsbad in south of California. He's a cool guy. He's gonna be amazing. He told us there's gonna be some nice waves, and we're gonna check out the waves down south. And then we'll be doing some cooking later. So guys, we're actually in California, and what's the best thing you could do? We packed up the surfboards, we're going to beach and see if we can catch a wave.
Thank you so much, man.
Oh, I'm so happy we got to do this today. Look at the weather, it's beautiful.
Beautiful, nice waves, but you know what? I'm just getting too fat and too old for this shit. Oh gosh. So, should we not do what we came for? Go to your place?
Yep.
And get some barbecue started.
do this.
Let's do this.
It was amazing. I mean, all those guys are so good in the water, but the waves were nice. We caught a few, but it was just good being back in the water. It's really, really good. Yeah, now we are going back to Douglas' place. I can't wait to get the cooking going.
So guys, we're gonna do some nice pork wrap tonight. Nice barbecue, but first we're gonna have a Bloody Mary with kimchi and tequila. And then we found this nice bottle of tequila, anejo. It's got this nice vanilla flavor to it. And now, oh, look at that. You get this smell of the kimchi, you know, the fresh tomato, the lime. This is the way you should start a nice barbecue evening.
Cheers!
Yeah.
It was really cool with Douglas. Nice food last night. Perfect surf, but now we're heading back towards Los Angeles. But we're gonna go slow. We wanna enjoy the beaches, and tonight we will see if we can catch some nice sunsets. I'm pretty sure at Huntington Beach, it could be amazing. They definitely got some of the best sunsets you can ever have. Marc and Lian, they want us to try some of their favorite taco places. And there are two places that we definitely need to try. One of the taco places are like a pork belly and a fish taco. Should be one of the best in town. And another place is the spiciest taco that we should ever have eaten. And I'm really excited to see how Martin can handle that.
Hey guys, we're at Guisados. You're gonna have the spiciest taco of your life.
Oh God.
It's gonna burn you twice, your mouth and your apple.
Oh.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Laughing in there. Don't be around my man. I don't know. Take it like a man.
Even my lips, my lips are burning like shit, man. And I've got to it's not so spicy. Oh God. Marty, like, I'm so cool.
Wow, too spicy for me, guys.
Yeah, how spicy this is.
Oh.
I'm sweating like shit already, man. Woo. I will finish it. Because Martin finished it.
Yeah.
I have to finish it. But for me, it's wow. I'm dying, man. Oh my gosh, this is so spicy. But actually the flavor of it is amazing. You get it in, you can feel all the different paprikas, and the spiciness comes a little bit later, but when it starts burning, it burns, man. Wow, my lips are like on fire right now. The good thing that I didn't know, but you can get some tomatoes, you put a little bit of salt on it. It actually helps make the heat come down. That is definitely the spiciest taco I've ever eaten. And Yonti, you're right. I swear I'm gonna feel that tomorrow. So guys, if you love tacos and you are in LA, you definitely had to come to Papa Juan's Bar Grill. It's amazing. They got a pork belly taco. Oh, you will love it. It's really crusty, and they got the best fish tacos in town. Look at this.
Texture of the pork belly. It's crunchy, not too dry, flavorful, all good.
And you got the cheese, you got the spiciness of the sauce. You don't like the onions on it.
Right. Radish, really it. That's pretty much a homemade recipe. It's a flour with natural ingredients, a little bit of seasonings, mix it with water, or you can add beer to it if you like. Not too crunchy, not too soft. It's a red snapper or fish we use, but you can use any fish. You can also, like I said earlier, you can use avocado, different vegetables, mushrooms, zucchini, squash. On the taste, this is good.
Those tacos, they are unbelievable. Guys, you definitely have to try it. Oh, I actually can't get enough of it. But we have to keep the journey going, so we're going downtown to see what we can get at Goldfish. So guys, we need some fresh seafood for the cooking tonight. So we are at Goldfish. Yonti told me this is the place to be if it should be fresh and really delicious. This is amazing. All this fresh fish. And even got fresh oysters and a really high-end quality. So let's try it straight away.
That was a real treasure in there. Guys, this is definitely something special and chefs will love that. Now we got so much good stuff from Goldfish and we want to cook it up. So Marc invited us to come to his place and we could do barbecue in his backyard.
With all the inspiration we got in the last days of different kinds of tacos and how to make it over here, we're gonna take it and put it in our way of making some nice tacos with all the fresh fish. Let's get some nice cooking going and see what the guys think about it.
South on Highway 25. And I'm going just as fast as I can drive. Well, adios to the USA. I'll see you again someday. But tonight, I got a better place to be. And tonight, I'll be staying on the coast of Mexico. In a little tent out on the beach, down as far as I can go. With a button up bayonet or a little bit of Mexican snow. Whoa, 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 Mexico. Yeah, tell me, Marc, go.
So guys, thank you so much for having us. We had so much to eat, different places, we cooked a lot, hanging out with my friends, going surfing, and then just keep eating and drinking. It can't get better. So
I can tell you, but we're coming back. We can't wait. And thank you so much for having us.
Mexican blow.